All right, welcome to another Easy Forest session. Okay, in this session, I want to also put a balance to some things that we normally see in the market and how we can actually overcome them. You know, so many traders are not consistent with their stop. Okay, they're not consistent with their stop, and it has made them to, have massive drawdown because of not being consistent in your stop. Please, you must learn to close your trade early. Learn to close your losing trade on time. Now, let me give you an instance. Let's say I enter into this market from this level. I enter from this level, and my target is around this level. This is my target. Maybe I'm targeting 1:3. Okay. Now, let's say my target is somewhere around this level, and when the market gets to this particular level, it started rejecting. You know, I told us in the previous video that once you see rejection like this, close the trade and wait for the next thing the market want to do. Now, my target is above this structure. My target is above the structure. Okay, so, but the market is rejecting before getting to that structure. Now, if I didn't close my trade and the thing reversed and hit my stop loss, it is better. It is better that way, that it came and hit my stop loss. But you know what many traders will be doing? They'll be moving their stop loss down. Let's say this is their stop. As the market is coming, they'll move it down. They'll say, okay, it's like the thing will reverse from this level. The market will reverse from this level. So they'll be hoping that this structure will hold. They'll move their stop loss down. Now, this is where they're supposed to be. They're supposed to have been stopped at, but they'll move it down. Now, the market now broke this structure. Now, because you don't want to accept your loss, you will still believe that the market will reverse. You will now bring your stop loss down again to this level, and your loss will begin to increase. But if you close your trade at this point, you would have seen that the market, the trend has changed, that at the break of this particular area and the retest of it, you should be selling. You should be selling. And if you have done that, you would have made the money that you lost in this particular move, you would have made it back at this particular move. But because you were still focused on that is going to reverse, is going to reverse, is going to reverse, you will not see what the market is doing. This has made a lot of traders to have massive drawdown. It has made a lot of traders to have massive drawdown. So you must learn to close your trade early. Close your trade early, most especially your losing trade. Close it early, okay? So that you can see what the market is doing and re-enter. So this is a trading psychology that I want you to master. Trust in your stop. That is why your stop should be as logical as ever. Trust in it. If the market hits your stop, take the loss and look for another entry. That is why I keep telling traders, only trade with capital, with the money that you are willing to lose. Okay, so that when you lost that particular trade, your psychology will still be balanced. You will have time to also look for other opportunity. Of course, you must have losing trade. Okay, sometimes your first three trade might be a losing trade, but if you have a good trading psychology, you will still be normal. If you are risking small, you will still have a balanced psychology to enter into more trade that will give you back those money you have lost. Of course, you should know that if you have a good trading strategy with at least 70% win rate, with 1:5, 1:2, 1:1.5, and 1:2, you will still be profitable in the market. Okay, so that is one psychological area that I want us to really work on. And if we can do that, I tell you the truth, you'll be highly profitable. All right. Thank you very much. See you in the next lecture.